Wanderlodge. Got it running today. That's the first time in quite a long time that bus has ran. But I started hearing a screeching noise that appeared to be coming from inside the engine. So we shut the bus down immediately. I don't have my filter cutter with me today, but I'm going to want to cut the filter apart and see if I'm seeing metal in the bottom of it. I obviously have a concern of, with how long this thing's been sitting, that we could have oiling system issues and possibly bearing or internal engine damage. So we need to check for that before we go any further on the bus. And that'll be tomorrow. We're already towards the end of the work day today, and like I said, filter cutter isn't a normal tool I take with on jobs, so I'm gonna have to grab that out of my other box. Back on the Jeep, cap, rotor's in there, new coil, and the plug wires all came today, so we're still waiting on plugs, but we're gonna go ahead and get all this stuff thrown on, and we'll just do plugs this weekend when they show up. Holy crap. Your rotor looks terrible. I guess it's not that bad. It's not the...
Look at the points on that.
Yeah, apparently the previous owner was a big fan of tune-ups. Getting the bracket for the coil off. It's easier to take the coil and bracket out and then swap the coil on the bracket off the engine. The engine mount kind of gets in the way of getting the back bolt off. This is the coil that came out of the Jeep. The casing has a small crack in it, which isn't necessarily a problem, but it can let moisture in, and that can cause a problem with these. Still gonna have to pull it back apart probably this weekend to put plugs in it, but cap, rotor, plug, wires, and coil. Almost had plugs there. Everything but the plugs is done for the tune-up now. All right, so what's your plan next? Headers and exhaust?
Well, I already know one of the exhaust pieces that I want like $250. It's about after the cat all the way out.
Let's just make it like we do everything else around here. Oh, okay. MBRP exhaust? So, you want to do a cap back on it then? You're going to do the whole thing?
Yeah, because the header's like 60, 80 bucks, something like that anyway.
Yeah, they're not hard to do either.
I just need the downpipe and then that exhaust.
Are we going catless?
I don't know. I might just go high flow.
I've got high flows on my truck and I like them.
The only reason why I would go catless if I wanted it loud, but I don't want this thing loud.
What are we doing for muffler setup on this? Oh, it comes with the cap back? Okay.
Muffler and then it's straight all the way out the back.
Do you know what size it is?
2.5.
That's what I had on my last XJ, was a 2.5 inch.
I mean, it works.
Yeah.
I don't want it to be louder.
The Stroker one had a 3 inch though, but that was moving quite a bit of air.